Out of billions of planets in the vast universe, there is only one that we know of that can sustain life. That is why it is our duty and responsibility to take care, protect, and preserve it as much as we can. Because we only have one home, Earth. I am Beatrice Marie Ibugay and I will be discussing renewable energy. What is renewable energy? According to the United Nations Climate Action, renewable energy is energy derived from sources that are replenished at a faster rate than it is consumed. Non renewable energy, on the other hand, is the opposite. There are a lot of benefits in using renewable energy. For one, it is a cleaner source of energy that produces low to zero greenhouse gases emission. In the long run, it is a cheaper alternative to fossil fuel because the resources is all around us and is abundant. An example of renewable energy is solar energy. Solar energy comes from the radiation emitted by the sun. The heat is converted into electrical energy. Out of all the renewable energy sources, solar energy is the most accessible. It is highly feasible, especially in tropical areas like the Philippines. Similar to solar energy, geothermal energy uses heat to convert into electrical energy. The difference is that it uses geothermal vents produced by volcanic formation. Another example of heat to electrical energy conversion is biomass energy. Biomass, like plants and other organic matter, are burned to produce heat, which is then turned into electrical energy. Wind energy comes from the kinetic energy of the wind that is converted into mechanical energy and then into electrical energy. It uses large turbines to harness the power of the wind. Similarly, hydroelectric energy production uses the power of gushing currents and streams to generate mechanical energy that is later turned into electrical energy. Tidal energy uses the same mechanism as hydroelectric energy. The difference is that instead of streams, it uses the tidal currents to produce mechanical energy. There are a lot of challenges in using and producing renewable energy. Although the energy sources are all around us, the placement and installation of the mechanism needs to be strategic and precise to guarantee maximum yield. Renewable energy production is a huge investment. Installation of renewable energy mechanism can be costly, and renewable energy mainstreaming also takes a lot of time and effort from the end users. Government policies plays a huge part in the mainstreaming of renewable energy. Government initiatives pertaining to the use of renewable energy promote awareness and encourage the public to adopt greener sources. There are a number of countries that are in the forefront of renewable energy. Sweden targets to be 100% renewable by 2040, while Costa Rica produces 98% of its current energy through renewable sources. Iceland has 9 out of 10 homes powered by geothermal energy, while Kenya is considered as Africa's wind farm. In the Philippines, the Ilocos region is known for its windmills, which uses and produce wind energy. Renewable energy can be an economic booster. It generates jobs for the localities and reduces the expenditure in the fossil fuel. In the US, there are estimated to be 120,000 people working for the wind energy production industry alone. It is already given that the use of renewable energy is ecologically friendly. It is the greener way of energy production. So, why transition to renewable energy? As I've mentioned, renewable energy is the most ecologically sound way to produce energy. It is the way forward if we want to preserve the environment. In the long run, it is also more economical and cost efficient compared to fossil fuel sources. Fossil fuel is a non renewable resource of energy that took billions of years to form from heat and pressure under the Earth's crust. At some point, the resource will deplete and the cost will skyrocket. In conclusion, renewable energy is a way to conserve what is left of the environment. It aids in the reduction of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, which causes the climate change crisis that we are experiencing today. It is just scary to think how different the Earth's climate from 10 to 15 years ago compared to today. If you want to do something about it now, for the future generation, why not, right? Renewable energy is the way to save the Earth. One solar panel, one wind turbine at a time. That concludes my presentation. Again, this is Beatrice Marie Bugay. Thank you, and let's be kind to our planet.